Good morning, my friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. Friends, I have wonderful news. Millions of senior citizens and Social Security recipients will be seeing a big boosted increase to their monthly benefit payments. Lawmakers are also now proposing a new bill that would help Social Security beneficiaries financially. So, my friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. Also, at the end of this video, I'll be announcing the winner of yesterday's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway. If you would like to enter tomorrow's giveaway, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the gift card. Thank you so much, everyone.
Well, for a long time now, Congresswoman Rosa DeLauro, the chair of the Appropriations Committee, formerly the chair, at one point the chair of the Agriculture Subcommittee, under which much of this falls, nutrition, WIC, and all of that, has been addressing this issue. And when I say addressing, that includes investigating, looking for other possibilities, because in anticipation, just to make sure that something like this would not happen. And we just look forward to what the president has to say. Everybody has suggestions about we make sure it never happens again, and that's important. But right now, the baby's crying, the baby's hungry. We need to address it right now. And I think we have good focus on it. And we'll see what the president has to say. And we have our proposals as well that, as I say, Rosa is taking the lead on. Yes, ma'am.
Things that you mentioned.
So here are some big news for those of you that receive Social Security benefits. Seniors and other people who rely on Social Security benefits could next year see their biggest cost of living adjustment since 1981, with an advocacy group for older Americans forecasting an 8.6% hike. The typical monthly Social Security check is about $1,658, which means beneficiaries could see an increase of $142.60 per month in early 2023, bringing the average check to about $1,800. This new forecast is from the Senior Citizens League. That projection is based on the most recent U.S. inflation numbers, including the government's release on Wednesday of the Consumer Price Index data for the month of April. Mary Johnson, the Social Security policy analyst for the group, has said that the Social Security's cost of living adjustment, or COLA, is based on a slightly different basket of goods and services that is also tracked by the government. That, friends, is a CPIW, which is also known as a Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers. That basket shows inflation is running slightly hotter than the broader price index, with the CPIW jumping 8.9% in April from a year ago. An 8.6% jump in monthly Social Security checks could provide some relief to millions of seniors struggling to keep pace with the surging costs for everything, from gas to groceries. The 69 million Americans who collect Social Security received a 5.9% COLA increase in January. This could be the biggest bump since 1982. But inflation has climbed well above that figure in 2022, eroding many seniors' purchasing power. The Social Security Administration will set the 2023 COLA in October based on the previous 3 months of inflation data, which means the actual rate hike could be somewhat different from the Senior Citizens League's forecast. Right now, more seniors are relying on food banks and food stamps as their buying power erodes, with the group's surveys finding that 45% of respondents in January reported relying on these resources to secure food. That is double the rate in October. So, my friends, do you think that an 8.6% to 8.9% raise in Social Security checks will provide some relief? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. A federal benefits program for the blind, disabled, and elderly individuals could get a long overdue update if a proposal in Washington is approved. 2 Ohio senators, Democratic Senator Sherrod Brown and Republican Senator Rob Portman, have teamed up to introduce a bill to update the Supplemental Security Income Program's rules for how much money that beneficiaries can have set aside. SSI was created by Congress in 1972. The two senators' bill, called the SSI Savings Penalty Elimination Act, was introduced on Thursday. SSI provides a maximum monthly benefit of $841 per individual, or $1,261 for couples where both individuals are eligible for the program. However, some beneficiaries receive far less. The average monthly benefit for all recipients is currently $625.50. Many people receiving these benefits are living under or close to the federal poverty level, which is in 2022 is $13,590 in annual income for individuals. SSI also comes with strict rules regarding income and assets for beneficiaries. Senator Robb and Senator Portman's bill seeks to update the asset limits, which would enable beneficiaries to have more savings in case of an emergency without affecting their benefits. According to economists, the current Social Security program's limits on assets, such as savings, makes it difficult for SSI beneficiaries and their families to achieve any measure of economic security. Beyond that threshold, SSI benefits are reduced by 50 cents for every dollar of income. Those thresholds have not been changed since the year 1972. Senator Brown and Senator Portman's bill includes changes that would lift the program's income restrictions and bring monthly benefits to 100% of the federal poverty level and index them to inflation. Brown and Portman's proposal comes as Congress is expected to consider retirement legislation known as Secure 2.0, which also includes other emergency saving measures. Friends, the key word for this video is Amelia Island. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, friends. And then comment below this keyword, which is Amelia Island, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my friends. Well, my amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Rory Cofield. Congratulations, my friend. If I have announced you as the winner, please reply with your email to claim your gift card, or you can message me on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, friends, and please have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.